Present.
John. Atakanini. Present. Good. Now let us review our previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we looked at the definition of sandwich. Today is 17 April 2025. Now in our previous lesson, we looked at types of sandwich. We defined sandwich. Now I want you to tell me, what did we say sandwich is? What is a sandwich, Maggie?
They are slices of bread which are served spread with other fillings.
Good. This is just a food item that is prepared using slices of bread. Then we also mentioned the types of sandwich. Can you tell me the types of sandwiches that we mentioned, Frida? Yeah, vegetable sandwich. And in our case, we have club sandwich, bookmaker sandwich, toasted sandwich. Which leads me to the lesson of today, which is prepare toasted sandwich. Now, by the end of this lesson, I'll wish for you to achieve the following learning outcomes. Identify the ingredients. Identify ingredients used in preparation of toasted sandwich. The second learning outcome, I want you to identify various ingredients used in making toasted sandwich. Various equipments used in making toasted sandwich. Now let us start with learning outcome number 1, which is identify ingredients used in preparation of toasted sandwich. And we say that ingredients, these are just food items that are used to make a particular food. Okay?
Yes.
For example, when you want to make ugali, you will use flour and water. So those are the ingredients. Now when it comes to toasted sandwich, tell me some of the ingredients that we use. Yes, Maggie?
Spreads.
Yeah, we use spreads. The second ingredient that we use, Frida.
Bread.
Frida. Bread, good. We also use bread. The third ingredient we use fillings.
Fillings.
So for the bread, you have to choose the correct quality of bread. Any bread can work, but the correct quality of bread. And for the spreads, it depends on the type of sandwich you're making. You can use margarine. Margarine can be your spread. Butter can also be your spread, or even mustard. Then for the fillings, these are just the ingredients that you put in between the two slices of bread. We have lettuce, we have tomatoes, we have ham. So basically, those are the 3 basic ingredients that are used to make toasted sandwich. Now, our second learning outcome is identifying various equipment used in making sandwich. Now, in groups of two, I want you to think among yourself the equipment that can be used to make toasted sandwich, and then you will share with the class. Yes, in groups, I want you to think among yourself. 2 minutes. Good. Time is up. Now let us list the ingredients. Yes. Good. We have a knife. Knives are used in making toasted sandwiches. Toasters. Yeah, toasters. Good. We have toasters. Yes. Spoon. Good. We have spoon. Yes. Chopping board. Good. So those are some of the equipments that are used to make toasted sandwich. Any question, class? You okay? Now I'm going to show you a chart that outlines the procedure of making a toasted sandwich. Now this chart shows us the procedure of making toasted sandwich. Can you see from the back?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'll leave you with the chart for you to look at the procedure and master the procedure of making the toasted sandwich. Okay?
Yes.
Good. Now let us review what we've just learned. Frida, what have you learned today?
I've learned about the ingredients used in preparation of toast.
Good. Give me some of the ingredients.
We have
Bread. Maggi.
Ham.
Ham. Yes. There's bread. Good. And then we have the fillings. Maggie, what have you learned today? Anything you've learned today?
I've also learned about the various equipment which are used in making toasted sandwich.
Good. Name those equipments.
Toaster.
Yes. Toaster. Chopping board. Good. Spoon. Knife. Good. I can see you are all attentive in class. Now I'm going to leave you with an assignment. You have to research on the procedure of preparing club sandwiches. And this will be